Hello, this is Dan Alford with the ARC Specialties Weld of the Week, where we showcase an interesting weld and the backstory of its application in industry. We're going to talk about the technology of both the welding process and the ARC video monitoring system we use. It's January 2021, and this, our first episode of Weld of the Week. I thought we'd go back into our archives and pull out some historical footage. Anybody that knows ARC Specialties knows that we have hundreds of hot wire TIG systems running around the world, so there's no better subject for our first episode. We actually have two different video systems to show you today. The first one is a stinning system. This was invented by Charles Stinning in the 80s. He passed away in '93, and yet his technology is still viable today. Charles invented a clever system of two rotating, polarizing lenses to change the overall filtration, and he also used a secondary dot filter in the center of the screen to filter out the brightest light in the arc. The second sequence of video was produced using a Xyris camera, which is a high dynamic range camera, which also has the capability of giving us dimensional data. You'll see more of this in our future Weld of the Week episodes. Hot wire gas tungsten arc welding is an underutilized welding process, but it offers numerous advantages. By preheating the wire, you not only increase deposition rate, which is productivity, you also decrease dilution, which is the whole point of overlay. Valve cladding is a tough application. You're having to work deep inside of small bores on preheated parts, but the hard part is welding right up to the intersections of these bores. The ARC Specialties control system was designed so that you only have to teach 2 points, and yet you see here in the final weld, we have hundreds of stops and starts perfectly aligned with the intersecting bores. We look forward to posting new episodes of the ARC Specialties Weld of the Week. If you're one of the thousands of operators of ARC Specialties equipment around the world, and you have a weld that you would like to showcase, please contact us. At ARC Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.